Hi guys, my name is Fernandes, class 10 Social 2. In this video, I will make a greeting card. Let's get started.
The tools and material for making greeting cards are 2 buffalo paper, 1 color HVS paper, glue stick, staplers, scissors, and a ruler. And now we go straight to how to make it.
We reduce the buffalo paper because it is very large. The trick is we fold two. After that, we fold the two halves again on the right and left side. Then we fold the top and bottom again. And the two sides are folded again so we can get the middle of the box for the cover of the greeting card. So we found a rectangle in the middle of the buffalo paper. So now we cut it. Then cut again the side that I made at. Well done. This will be the cover for the greeting card. Now we are going to make for the decoration part of the greeting card. Take the remaining buffalo pieces. We cut the right and left side and the middle side that we will use.
Well, I will stick this inside the cover in the middle. But for the middle, I will use yellow paper.
So we trace it to the yellow paper. Then we fold it in half so that you can see the curves. And it will be like this. Step 3. I have prepared some word scraps that I print to paste in the greeting card. Here I will stick to the yellow buffalo paper and use a glue stick.
And so it's like this. Now I will try to fold it in half so the writing is not neglected. After that, I will strapless it in the middle, and we start the strapless. And I will try to close and open. Well, after finish, we will pass the print word again, which is the rest of the word happy birthday, which we will put on the yellow buffalo. And now we are going to decorate the outside of the cover. I will cut out the love icon and I put it on the edge of the greeting card. Has become like this. Sorry if there is wrong word. Thank you.